Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today's topic is Solver of Excel. It's a great functionality in Excel that helps you solve your puzzles. Otherwise, if you, without using the solver, if you try the things, you must be wasting a lot of time. And solver saves your time in solving very complicated combinations of figures. So let's start. Let me share the screen for you. Oh, this is okay. So getting started with the server, you need to have this icon in the data tab. If you don't have it, you will have to go to File and then go to Options, and then in the area you click Go, and here these should be selected. Click OK. This will appear here. So this is how you install or enable the solver. Next is, let's try to understand this using an example. Just suppose you have a lot of vehicles, the trucks, the numbers are written, and they are loaded with iron rods, and load is in term of tons, right? So this is 30 tons and this is 22 tons and this is. So these are, so you have to choose among them those 5 trucks which target load is 150. 150 is the allowance that you can take the load, and the rest will have to wait. Right? So this is an example. So what we have done is that this is our range in which if we have just put the zeros, right? Right. And this is multiplied by the load. Means as soon as you select, or the system selects by putting a 1, it will multiply it. It means that shows that it is selected. And as soon as this is selected, the selected vehicle will become incremented with 1, right? And it is unselected, then there's no, right? Simple formula of sum. This difference is watching that how much you are away from the target. When the difference is 0, it means your target is achieved, right? So this is the setup which you are going to do before going to the solver. Now let's go to the solver straight away. Here we mentioned our objective. Our objective is this. This has to be 0, value of 0. Right? So it will keep on trying until this value in the U2 becomes 0. And what changes you are required to do is this: put 1 and C, right? So in this figure, so first constraint is you need to enter the constraints. So first constraint is that it has to be greater than 0, less than or equal to 1. 1. So let's add it. Another constraint is what? That this range is greater than or equal to 0. And the third constraint involves what is it? You got to have an integer, not a decimal factor. So we have to do that. This is the constraint. Add. So let's add one more, that the vehicle we are allowed to take into the shipyard is only five. It must be five. So we select this. We say is equal to five. Equal to five. Yes. So now we cancel this. So these are the constraints we have written. So this less all these constraints, and all we need to do is trust the solver. But this is going to, so the target is achieved. The five vehicles have been selected with the total load of 150 tons. So which are those which are marked with one? So the conditional formatting is in place and it highlights it like this. Very easy to use and wonderful thing for you. I hope you liked it. So these are the topics which we have to cover. So we have covered this topic in this video, and we look forward to your participation in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.